Mactalio. Cross the mid lane. High pass.
Corpus.
Pass of the glass. Tinapboard pa. Corner pass. Open look for 3. Bang! Another 3. Milyare. To Sanchez. Pull up J. Bucket. Sanchez. Corner. Attacks. Floater. Bucket. Welcome to Abra Intertown. Bangged versus Salapadan. First ball possession for Salapadan. Attacking the defense against Sanchez. Fires Pinto. First blood. Milyare. High pass to the corner. Pass back Milyare. Entalio for 3. In and out. Oligario. The long pass. Odula. Corner. For 3. Mactalio. Mactalio now. Goes since is behind the back. Milyare to Milyare. Milyare dribble the ball. Milyare bounce pass to the middle. Sanchez pull up J. Bullseye. Oligario against Milyare. Oligario goes to the screen. Oop. Once po. Milyare. Pass to the Jets. Mactalio for 3. Short. Rebound by Pinto. Oligario. The long pass to the middle for 3. Odula. Bang! 3. Milyare at the top. Milyare to Mactalio. Bounce pass to Sanchez. Nagawan ni Oligario. Oligario all alone. Easy bucket. Oligario. Milyare to Mactalio. Bounce pass to Sanchez. Sa gitna. Fires. Corpus. Bucket for 2. And is Oligario. Goes to the middle. Corner pass. Open look for 3. Bang! Another 3. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio to Milyare. Milyare for 3. One go. Rebound by Corpus. Bigs. Wood. Rebound para sa team Salapadan. Oligario. Pass. Pull up J. Long 2. Bucket! And now Inari Cabanag behind the back dribble. Open look again. Same spot. Same result. Mactalio. Mactalio to Milyare. To Sanchez. Pull up J. Bucket. Sanchez. Cabanag. Pass to Odula. Corner. Open look again. Nugget. And here's Talio. Mactalio na win Harry. Sumigsag. Hook shot. Nugget. Rebound Sanchez. Put back. End of finish. Cross the mid lane. High pass. Corpus. Fires off the glass. Tinapboard pa. Oligario. Goes to the screen. Corner. Attacks. Floater. Bucket. Mangrove. Corpus. Corpus. Goes inside. Lays. All the way to the hoops. Bucket. High pass to and pass to Oligario. Sumisigsag. Bounce pass. Odula. Cabanag for 3. Nugget. Rebound Mactalio. Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. Corner. Pull up J. Nugget. Rebound. Corpus. Lace. Yes. Corpus. That's the end. Mactalio. Mactalio another 3. Bam! Oh, Mactalio. Mactalio goes to the middle. Hook pass. Open look. Bucket. Sanchez. Setting the play. Stops to Mactalio. Goes inside. Side step. Rejected. The inbound. Looking for the receiver. Mactalio. Pass to the middle. Ferrer. Kicks out. Milyare. Pass rejected again. Not in my heart. Long pass. Belches lays. Bucket. Belches. And here's Mactalio to the left. No, rejected again. No. And the pass. Backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Fires of the glass. No good. Rebound Cabanag. 4 laban sa 5. 4 laban sa 1. Wala. Raise bucket. Pit up. Pass to Milyare. Milyare to Mactalio. Deep 3. Won't go. Corpus there for the stray bound and the putback shot. Ginitian pa. Cabanag. Score 28-24. And fires sa wing arm. Bang! Down to 1 point. And here's Milyare. Milyare to Mactalio. Mactalio goes to the middle. Corner, open look, Milyare. Bang! 3 point. Oligario to Cabanag. Cabanag for 3. Bang! Diyan! Mactalio against Oligario. Corner pass. Milyare to Mactalio. Pigs. Drives. Kicks out. Open look, Milyare for 3. Na good. Rebound by Belges. Kolong pass. Oligario. Pass inside. Attacks. Side step rejected. Put back. Back it for the lead. Pinto. And here's Mactalio. Mactalio against Oligario. Attacks. Corner pass for 3. Bang! Once again. That's the end. Mactalio with the ball. Stops pass to Milyare. To Mactalio. To Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio. Milyare for 3. Bang! Another. Mactalio. To Milyare. Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio to Milyare. To Milyare for 3. Na good. Rebound. Cabanag no look pass. Stays back it. Oligario tie game. Mactalio against Mangrobang. Corner pass to Milyare. To Mactalio. Mactalio to the screen for 3. Bang! Mactalio. Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. Milyare to Milyare. To Milyare. Shot clock down to 7. Mactalio drives to the hoop. Short. Rebound. Tereruk shot. Put back. Bakit the follow-up shot. Corpus. Cabanag na win Harry. Between the legs. Open. Fires. Nagid. Rebound by Odula. Cabanag behind the back. Oligario picks. Mangrobang open look for 3. Bang! Yare against Mangrobang. 43-42. Picks. Dalawa yung sumabay. The floater. Bullseye. And here's Oligario. Oligario di distansya. Oligario corner pass for 3. Bang! Mangrobang 3. And Milyare. High pass. Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. And Milyare to Milyare to Milyare. Attacks by Milyare. Picks. To Milyare, to Corpus. Bam! Reverse layup, short. Rebound, Odula. Oligario, crossover. Crossover, Oligario. Oligario, spins. Attacks. Picks. Oh! Basket and 1. Oh! Traveling. And here's Milyare. Goes to the middle corner pass to Mactalio. Mactalio goes inside the floor. Bucket of the glass. And here's setting the play. Cabanag. Pass to Odula. Odula. Pass to the corner. Cabanag. Open. Long to. Bucket. Tiger. At the top. Pass to Sanchez. Bump. Milyare. Sanchez. Fires. Bullseye. Up by. That's the 1 point lead for Salapadan. And here's number 8, Milyare. Milyare. Pass to the Milyare to Milyare. Ties Milyare for 3. Short. Rebound Oligario. Pass break na. Una na. Pinasa kay Pinto. Bakit? 3 point lead. 52-59. 3 point lead. Mactalio for the tie. Short. Rebound. And Pinto, the rebound, pass to Belches. High pass is stolen. Pinasa. No, sinausa. 1 point lead. 1 point lead for Salapadan. Milyare to Milyare. Pass back Milyare to Mactalio. Goes inside. Pass inside. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. Corpus. And there's pass to Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. To Corpus. Picks. Open look. Fires. Bucket. Corpus. Wasting the clock. 4-point lead for team Bangged 1. Attacks. Bump, please. No good. Rebound, pass break. Nauna na. Dinipit, please. Easy 2. Down to 2-point lead. Oligario. At the top. Against any pass to Mactalio. Against Mangrobang. Goes to the screen corner. Pass to Milyare. Milyare attacks to the baseline. Pass to Mactalio, corner 3, too strong. Rebound Corpus, put back shot, won't go. Rebound by Odula. Odula to Oligario, goes to the middle, on Harry, straight to the hoops. Oh! Bagsak, and 2 free throws rewarded to Oligario. First throw, bullseye, 1-point lead. 56-55, 2 minutes 32 seconds, won't go. Milyare di Discarte. Stops. Pass to Mactalio, setting a play. Goes to the screen. Pass to Sanchez, fakes. Pull up jumper. Difficult shot, won't go. Rebound Corpus. Short. Rebound by Cabanag. Cabanag now in Harry. Straight to the hoops. Basket for the lead. Milyare, last 2 minutes. 1 minute, 53 seconds. Mactalio, 57-56 against Mangrobang. Goes to the screen. Kicks out. Milyare for 3. Won't go. Rebound to Banag. Go! Grabe yun. 1 minute, 35 seconds. And here for 3. Shot. Rebound. Odula lost the handle. Oop. Jump ball. Shot clock. Pass inside. Odula rejected by Corpus. And the pass. Mactalio for the lead. Pinoy step. No. Short. Mactalio first on the free throw. Won't go. Mactalio for the tie. Tie game. Mactalio. Odula. Pass to Oligario. Crossover. Oligario. Deep 3. No good. Rebound. Here's Mactalio. Mactalio against Odula. Side step. The floater. No good. Rebound. Corpus. My foul. Corpus. First free throw. Bucket. Second on the free throw, Corpus. Bucket, the net. Bound. 2-point lead for team Bangged 1. Oligario receives the ball. Goes to the screen. Seconds on the shot clock. For 3. No good. Rebound. Sanchez. And pass. And Corpus. Up. Stolen. Attacks, pass, Belches, no good, rebound, put back, wala pa rin! Woo! Woo! Mactalio, back to the free throw line. Bucket, Mactalio. Last on the free throw. Sinapikan, Noop. Long pass. And Sanchez. Corpus. Last on the free throw, Corpus. Bucket. Oligario. Yung zigzag. For 3. No, may foul. Oligario, first free throw. Short. Last on the second on the free throw. Bucket. Last on the free throw. Wala. Corpus. Pass. Oop. And congratulations, team Bangged 1.